Fall is here, but this is Florida, so we still need to be mindful of staying healthy and hydrated in the heat. And you may not realize that you can do that just by enjoying some of your favorite foods and drinks which have electrolytes. To show us some examples, we're joined by best-selling cookbook author and founder of Steamy Kitchen, Jaden Ray. Jaden, good to see you again. Welcome.
Good morning. So you're in Florida, I'm in Las Vegas, and while the sun is not quite as intense, the weather's cooling down a bit, it's often easy to forget that you still have to stay hydrated. And I know that a lot of people reach for something like this to stay hydrated, but look at this. Maggie, do you see how much sugar is in this bowl?
Yeah.
This sugar is in this drink. And wouldn't you rather spend your sugar points on dessert instead of a drink?
Oh my gosh, absolutely. The thing is, though, that's really the only thing that I associate with containing electrolytes. What else is there?
Well, there's lots of natural electrolytes that are hidden in foods, and we're going to make a late summer/fall salad with ingredients that are full of natural electrolytes, just like this. So we're going to start. Are you ready?
Yeah, that looks really good. Go ahead.
Okay, so the base of our salad is spinach and kale, and both of these ingredients are full of magnesium, and magnesium is an important electrolyte. So I'm going to show you, a trick around kale. There's two tricks, and they're normally reserved for the bedroom, but we're going to apply it to kale. So the
Okay.
two tricks that you normally use in the bedroom, but for kale, is unzipping and massaging. So we're going to start with unzipping, okay? Oh, did I make you blush?
No, wasn't expecting it, but I'm with you. Go ahead.
Okay, so kale. This is a kale leaf. Do you see this stalk that runs down the middle? It's really, really tough, especially in salads and if you're going to eat it raw. So we're going to unzip the leaves away from the stalk. So this is how I do it. I fold the leaf in half, and then I just slowly unzip it away from the stalk. And you can save the stalk for soups. Put it in your freezer. Save it in stocks. Save the stock for soups or chop it up for stir fries. But now you have just the leaf, and you can use this for something else. So this is a great trick for unzipping it away from the stalk. Is a great trick to make sure that when you're having raw kale salad, that you're not getting bits of roughness in the salad.
I love that. That's a great one.
Yeah. Okay. Ready for the massage part? I bet you've never massaged a kale before, huh?
Not yet.
Okay, this is what you do. So you take your kale and you add a pinch of salt into the bowl, and you're just going to massage it. And massaging actually breaks down the cell walls of the kale, makes it just silkier and softer, as well as releases its natural sweetness. And I'm going to show you the difference between kale that's just fresh, like this, so it's rough. You can see the roughness of the kale leaves. And then also kale that I've massaged already. And look at this.
Oh, much better. All right, so we have about 40 seconds left. So we do the kale. What else goes in it?
All right, avocado is a great source of potassium. It has twice the potassium as bananas, which is also an electrolyte. And I learned this amazing trick on TikTok. Instead of using a knife to get the pit out, look at this. Just push the pit out.
Oh, much better. Better for your fingers, too.
Right, you're going to save your fingers. And the last ingredient that we're going to use is buttermilk, and buttermilk is full of electrolytes. So this is a 30-second shake in a mason jar recipe that you have on your website, and you drizzle it on top. I add some pumpkin seeds and some fresh fruits, which it also has electrolytes. So there you go.
Yum, looks great. Thank you so much. I will never look at kale the same way again. It was good to have you on.
See you later. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. There are also some surprising drinks that contain electrolytes, so if you'd like to get that information as well as more tips and recipes from Jaden, go to steamykitchen.com. Daytime will be right back.